Biting into that crispy shrimp fritter is the soft potato combined with the fresh herbs and light dipping sauce. It's such a delightful experience. Join me in the kitchen today to make this super delicious potato and shrimp fritter.
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Ingredients you will need: 300 grams of rustic potato, half a cup of rice flour, 1 cup all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon baking powder, a quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, shrimp and silverfish about 150 grams each, some garlic and chili, green papaya and carrot, some green onions and cilantro. To make the batter, combine the all-purpose flour and the rice flour. Rice flour is my secret to make the fritter extra crispy. Add baking powder to make it more fluffy and some turmeric powder for a nice golden brown color. Season with salt and half a teaspoon sugar. Then mix well. Make a well in the center and pouring 350 ml of water. Stir well. Peel the rustic potatoes and shred into fine strips. Then drop them directly into the batter to avoid exposing to the air and darkening. Adding potato will make the fritter very fluffy and very fragrant. Finally chop the cilantro and green onions and then mix in the batter with the potatoes for a tasty fragrance. Next, trim off the tip and the legs of the shrimp. Remove the black line if any. They were selling some silverfish at the market today too, so I bought them to make silverfish fritter too. Now peel the green papaya and cut into slices. Trim the carrot and cut into flower slices. Combine the green papaya and carrots in a bowl. Add a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of vinegar and marinate for about 15 minutes. The salt will include a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of water. Stir till dissolve and add a tablespoon of lime juice. Get some lime membranes too. Add to the sauce with minced garlic and chili so they can stay afloat. Now let's start frying. Fill the pan with vegetable oil to the depth of at least 2 inches. Then heat the oil until bubbles appear around the chopstick. To make sure that all fritters are in equal size, I use a soup ladle, fill it with the butter and the potatoes, and top with the little silverfish or the shrimp, and slowly drop into the oil. Wow, it's always fun to hear the sizzling sounds. For the shrimp, you can place a few strands of potatoes on top so when frying, the shrimp does not fall off. The silverfish and shrimp are rich in calcium. Potatoes are rich in vitamins and minerals, so this dish is very good. Fry both sides until golden brown. To serve, you take a piece of lettuce, lay the potato and shrimp fritter on top with some cilantro, some crunchy pickles, and make a roll and then dip into the dipping sauce. Wow, it's so good. The fritter is super crispy and very fragrant. The fresh greens and pickles balance out the greasiness. You gotta give it a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. I will see you then next time. Bye bye!